Have you ever skipped cooking because it felt like too much work? Well, not anymore. Just look at these beautifully marinated meats, perfectly seasoned and ready to cook. Whether you love chicken, beef, or seafood, there is an option for you in the stores. No more messy chopping, mixing, or stressing over spices. Healthy eating just got a whole lot easier. These pre-marinated meats are not only convenient, but also packed with flavor. Without the artificial junk, just grab, cook, and serve a nutritious homemade meal in minutes. Imagine coming home after a long day, popping one of these on the stove or grill, and boom, a restaurant quality meal minus the effort. Who said eating healthy had to be hectic? Would you try any of these? Or do you still prefer seasoning your own meats? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, these are available in your nearby stores. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more smart cooking hacks, and let me know in the comments the foods you would like me to give you shortcuts to. Hey, my name is Ngo, and I am passionate about helping you look your very best, no matter your age. See you in the next video. All the best.